Hello marine engineers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most important protection devices on board, the MCCB, or Moulded Case Circuit Breaker. So what exactly is an MCCB? MCCB stands for Moulded Case Circuit Breaker. It's a heavy-duty circuit breaker used to protect our ship's electrical system from overload and short circuit. Unlike a small MCB in your home, an MCCB is built for high current, from 16 amps all the way up to 2,500 amps. The biggest feature of an MCCB is that its trip settings are adjustable. That means we can set at what current it should trip for overload and for short circuit. This is very important for starting big motors like our main air compressor or ballast pump. Now let's quickly clear the confusion between MCB and MCCB. MCB, or miniature circuit breaker, is for small loads, like your cabin lights, AC, and galley equipment. Its current rating is low, and the tripping is fixed. You cannot change it. But MCCB is the big brother. It is used for main switchboards, generators, and large motors. It has a much higher braking capacity, meaning it can safely break a huge short-circuit current without exploding. And because of adjustable settings, we get proper selectivity. That means if one pump has a fault, only that MCCB will trip, and the whole ship won't go blackout. As marine engineers, MCCB maintenance is part of our PMS. Every month, do a visual check. Look for any hot spots, loose connections, or burning smell. Clean the dust. Every 3 months, do a manual on-OFF test and a push-to-trip test to make sure the mechanism is free. Once a year, during overhaul, open the MCCB. Clean the contacts and arc chutes, check the insulation with a megger, and verify the trip settings. Remember, a faulty MCCB can cause fire or total power failure. So never skip the checks. So that was all about MCCB, its difference with MCB, and how we maintain it on board. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Comment below which MCCB do you have the most problems with on your ship? See you in the next video. Stay safe and keep learning.